Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to record audio from computer with Audacity. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So first of all guys, once you are in the Audacity, just click on the audio setup, and right here we have to click on host and set this host as Windows WAS API. And if you are not finding this option, you can just click on edit, and in the preferences there is also the option for host. You can just change it from here. So now I'm gonna record the audio, but before that I'm just gonna click on audio setup, and in the recording device here we need to select that device which we are using to hear the audio from our PC. So right now I'm using headphones, so I'm just gonna click on headphones. Once you select that, just click on this red sign icon, and now the recording is started. But for that, let me just play the music. And yeah, that's how you can just record your PC audio in Audacity. Now let me show you what Audacity recorded. So yeah guys, now that's it. This is how you can record your audio from computer with Audacity. Now it's your time to repay me. For that, you can just subscribe my YouTube channel. I would really appreciate it. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.